Hello everyone, I am Hemlata Sridhar. Today I am super excited because we are doing something fun, colorful and a little experiment thing today. We are going to use Camel Poster Colours and I'll be showing you a cool sandwiching technique using Camlin Glue. Plus we'll explore how to creatively mix these two for amazing textures and effects. So let's get started. Poster colors are opaque, vibrant paints that dry with smooth matte finish. Camel poster colors are especially popular because they blend well, stay bright, and are easy to work with. In the first technique, I am making a glue paint mix for the sunset painting. I am using 40% of Camlin White Glue and 60% Camel Poster Color. I mix the glue and color together. This makes the painting smoother, shinier, and easy to blend. First, I'm painting the sky, starting with the purple on top, then pink, red, orange, and yellow. I blended all the colors while they were still wet. After the background dried, I used black paint to add the palm trees, birds, and ground lines. I added few white drops and small highlights to make the sky look brighter. And this is how it turned out. Second technique is sandwich technique, in which first layer is glue, then paint, then glue. I'm starting by applying a thin layer of Camlin White Glue on the paper. Once the glue becomes slightly sticky, I added my poster colors. I'm using shades of pink, purple, orange, and yellow to create the soft sunset blend. After the background dries, I paint the silhouettes, simple palm trees, land area. When everything completely dries, I seal it with one final layer of glue. This last coat gives the painting a shiny, glossy finish and makes it waterproof. And here's the final look, a smooth, blended sunset with a clean, glossy surface, all using the sandwich technique.